Alright, it is Friday, October 23rd, and I am out camping for the night with my buddy Stan and his family. So we just got done setting up. We're waiting for one other guy, George. He's got a taco with a rooftop tent on it, I think. So maybe I'll do a walk around of that now that he's had a chance to try it out a time or two, and do that in another video. But let me show you around. I just launched the drone. I've got some modifications to make to it, and unfortunately the cord that came with it doesn't connect very well, so I actually lost transmission the first time I launched it and had to return to home on its own. Thank goodness I checked that setting and it didn't just land where it was, or I would have had a long walk. But it did return home, found its way through the trees and down to the ground. But after I launched a second time, I did get some footage, but there's some settings I need to mess with. So I will check that out some more, but it does fly, it does work on my phone. I was caching to my phone as well, so I'll show you some of that video footage, but let me show you around. All right, so here we are. I've finally cleaned out my Jeep. I hadn't touched it in over a week since I got home, but since I was coming out today, had to actually do a few things and clean up my mess from inside from being at the sugar beet harvest. So now it's all open and ready to go. Have the whole back open here now again, and did wash my bedding, so I'm all set up. Takes me literally a couple of minutes. And the tent here, this is Stan's awning and enclosure, so I'll show you a time-lapse of him opening up the awning as well as putting the tent up. It didn't actually take that long at all, so just a few minutes for the awning and just a few more minutes for the tent. So nice big open space. He put a tarp down, which also helps, and then there's a tarp inside the tent as well, I think, isn't there? Yeah. So the tarp is just to keep the bottom of the enclosure from getting dirty if it should rain or anything like that, which is a pretty smart move. And then he just set up this little flap off of my bungee cords and my Jeep, so he has a little bit of shade for the kids. And then he's got this cool table here. I think Coyote Works, if I remember correctly, had something like that. Him or Venture 4-wheel drive. But anyway, it rolls up, and it is pretty compact when it's all put together. I kind of like it. I watched him set it up, so that was kind of neat. And then there is his Cherokee, which I've shown in other videos. So we're just gonna kind of chill out here. The kids and his wife are down there somewhere. We are in a new part of Uwharrie to me. This is the bike area, so you can mountain bike or just leisurely ride through this whole area. It's got some nice camp spots, never been here before, and you don't have all the vehicle sounds from all the ATVs, motocross vehicles, or motorbikes, and other Jeeps and four-wheel drive vehicles rushing by. So it is kind of quiet here, very nice. I like the setting, so I think we're gonna probably end up coming here more often. So I'll wait till George comes back and then show a little bit of his vehicle. And until then, we'll start getting the rest of the stuff set up. I'll get my food out. All I brought were MREs. I know these guys will probably do a little bit of cooking. And then that's pretty much it. All right, sun has already fallen and starting to get dark out, so we have a fire going over there. Everybody is making dinner. For dinner, it is just an MRE, vegetables and tomato sauce for me, Dots pretzels, and whatever else I feel like grabbing from the MRE. Stan over here's got a...
All right, I can show you, man. You know what this is called, right? A nice piece of steak. I don't know what grade that is, but you're gonna have some tonight. Because I'm a nice guy.
You even got what, thyme underneath there?
Rosemary. Rosemary, yes.
Nice. Already smells really good, actually. And then over here he's got some bread warming up by the fire in tin foil. And then George has a whole lot going on over here.
So we have some mushroom, onion, hot pepper medley with a burger and some classic pierogies.
All right, and
Yeah,
guacamole dip and chips. You
Spicy
even got
queso.
sriracha.
Recommend.
Nice. So yeah, a little bit more going on than at my place. I told Stan before I come, I said, I am not preparing anything. So that was just boiling. I'm gonna be opening that up and having that. And it's actually a pretty quiet night when the baby over there isn't crying. So hopefully it sleeps through the night. But the kids seem content. Got one in the hammock over there. The other one is by the campfire. And Chrissy is watching Stan cook. So this is what keeps her coming back. Stan sets up, Stan cooks, Stan cleans up.
It's all about this guy.
Yep. Hey, whatever it takes to get people out. That's awesome. Props to you. You're stressing me out, but props to you, man.
You rather take a video of broccoli than a steak.
Oh, man.
Nice. Oh, stretch it out, Stan.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Stan is trying to get the air out of his tent.
Actually, it really felt great.
Okay, I believe you.
You guys don't believe me? Try it.
You just want us to help.
And bon appetito.
Bacon, egg, and guac sandwich. Nice. There you go.
Right.
So Stan
Yeah,
is gonna have eggs, sausage,
This is gonna be guinea pig.
and he forgot his butter and grease, so he's got to grease up the pan with a sacrificial sausage. And then me, just coffee. That's it. And then we'll pack up the rest and go. Fire's already out. So just a matter of finishing up eating and getting out of here. It's a nice spot. Definitely gonna come back here, George.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was, it's much better than the other side with all the sounds and everything. So, and a gorgeous day.